winged monster attack? Oh yeah, this is gonna get good!
Wildfire, stop interrupting! I never wanted anyone to find these journals from my time in the land of monsters.
I know, but luckily finding hidden stuff is one of my many, many talents. Continue.
Fine. Only 'cause I know you'll never let it go until I do.
Not letting go is also one of my talents.
Daiden, are you okay?
Do I look okay? Ninjas are supposed to be observant.
Can you walk? We need cover, in case those things come back.
I'm trying. I just need a minute.
Help! Buzz need help!
Go, Ninja. I will manage.
Buzz need help!
Fireproof? Great. Just great. Let's find out if this thing is sword-proof, too.
Thank you, hero. Now Fuzz can be of service to you, too.
Look, I know you mean well, but I'm a ninja. And I'm barely... Uh-oh. Fire doesn't work on these things. Looks like the old slice and dice is the only way out of here. So hold on tight.
I can help.
I love your energy, but trust me. Hey, what are you... Whoa. You weren't kidding. You are a lot of help, Bug.
Fuzz is the name.
I'm not feeling so good.
Sorry, Fuzz's fault. Fuzz's help takes some getting used to.
I must have got hurt. But what is this? Why is it so weird?
Must have come from the fight. You'll be back to normal soon.
I hope so. Come on, let's go find shelter for the night.
Whoa. A sky attack, monster jungle, insect power-up, and some creepy weirdo following you? That story is wild! But why did you want to keep all that secret?
Because that was only the beginning.